on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's
The Clippers go Hollywood. The race between LA teams to land super point guard Chris Paul. It's the Clippers, not the Lakers, landing their man. You see the moving parts to the trade.
The Clippers, the combination of Chris Paul and Chauncey Billups with a healthy Caron Buck, who I spoke to last night. You've got DeAndre Jordan with Blake Griffin. This team is no joke.
40% of the field. Haskins lobs it up there. Another dunk. Back-to-back dunks. This time Ione going upstairs. Goose on the two.
With the first pick in the 2012 NBA draft, the New Orleans Hornets select Anthony Davis. With the 10th pick in the 2012 NBA draft, the New Orleans Hornets select Austin Rivers from Duke University.
At Kentucky, you made an immediate impact. National Player of the Year, MVP of the NCAA Final Four. What type of impact can the Hornet fans expect in your rookie year?
I just want to come in and do the best I can. You know, I'm not sure what Coach Williams wants me to do or what he needs for me to do. So when I get there, talk to him, he tell me what he wants from me and what he needs from me. Then that's what I'm going to do.
He wanted a foul.
It's inside. Amino on the backdoor lob. Biggest lead of the night for the Hornets. They're up by 8. And a timeout for the Lakers.
Yahoo Sports reported the NBA's New Orleans Hornets plan to change their nickname to the Pelicans as early as next year.
With the 6th pick in the 2013 NBA draft, the New Orleans Pelicans, yes, the New Orleans Pelicans, select Nerlens Noel from the University of Kentucky.
It'll be an interesting team to watch. I think they'll be exciting to watch because of the scoring abilities that they have. Monty Williams was a teammate of mine, and I'm sure he have those guys prepared. He's been coached under Greg Popovich, so they'll be a fun team, scrappy team. Leadership will probably be questionable for them. I just don't know what step up and take that lead, but I think they'll be a fun team to watch.
Joel, Coach Monty Williams wants Anthony Davis on Carmelo Anthony right now. He hopes and thinks that AD's length can bother him a little bit. We're about to find out, Joel.
Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
From behind. It paid off right away.
The Pelicans are in the unenviable predicament of being the upstart team in what is arguably the deepest division in basketball. That means another season of trying to climb the ladder in the Southwest. Even with a budding young star like Anthony Davis as your franchise player, that's an extremely tough task.
It's off a screen, looking for Davis now. Davis has Draymond Green on him. Davis spins, drives, finishes, and it's a 7-point game.
Right there. Another offensive rebound by Austin. Just back-to-back offensive rebounds here by Austin.
But this is a team that, has really and truly just been jumping on the back of Anthony Davis' shoulders. And Anthony Davis, he is most definitely not disappointed, leading them into the playoffs last year.
Watch Luke Donovan, a three-point shooter, throws it at Davis, and he throws it down on the inbound. What a great play, out of bounds or out of the timeout.
With the 6th pick in the 2016 NBA draft, the New Orleans Pelicans select Buddy Hield from Freeport, Bahamas, and the University of Oklahoma.
But maybe Anthony Davis.
Boys, we
can
hit
blow
the
his
jackpot
team,
this time.
Bright future superstar right here. Apparently projected top 5, top 3 player in his upcoming season, along with projections of him winning MVP, just like last season.
I thought they would have to give up their nucleus to get him from Sacramento until a deal went down. Tyreek Evans, Langston Galloway, Buddy Hield, and a protected 2017 first round and second round pick. Are you kidding? I mean, a heist took place last night, and the Sacramento Kings should be ashamed of themselves. I don't give a damn that you don't want to pay DeMarcus Cousins 5 years and $209 million. You don't let go of the best big man in basketball.
The Heat came from behind from Equan Moore, didn't quit on the play. Cousins on the back, unbelievable. Behind the back to Dante Cunningham.
So let's see if they're able to sneak into the playoffs. Nobody's really expecting them to make playoffs, even though they have arguably the best power forward and center in the league. So my projection is 40 wins, possibly 41 wins for this New Orleans Pelicans team.
Cousins misses. Oh, almost got his own rebound. Big thing right now is just, and he just got hurt. DeMarcus Cousins is injured.
Boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
By Davis. And DeMarcus Cousins can't go. He's holding that left lower leg area in the area of his Achilles. Another alley-oop to Davis off the glass by Rondo. Turn the lights out.
Rondo making a play. Puts it upstairs.
Puts it up.
Now it seems Anthony Davis and Drew Holiday are going to take an even larger chunk of the offensive load next year. Both players seem to be entering their prime, with 28-year-old Holiday having the best season of his career last year, and 25-year-old Davis has already been one of the best players in the NBA in the past 2 seasons, and there's still room to improve. The Pelicans have pretty solid role guys around these two, but of course the NBA is a star-driven league, and the Pelicans will go as far as these two take them.
Adrian Wojnarowski reporting. The agent for Anthony Davis has informed the New Orleans Pelicans that he has no intention of signing an extension, and as a matter of fact, has requested a trade. That news coming in this morning.
Decided this morning to part ways with Del Demps, who's been the general manager there and had been overseeing these Anthony Davis trade talks. And now the organization's focused on, going out into the marketplace, trying to hire a high-end league executive.
Having this afternoon's breaking news, the Pelicans now have a new leader. A few minutes ago, David Griffin, a longtime NBA executive, agreed to become the Pelicans' president of basketball operations. ESPN was first to report this.
The Pelicans have agreed to finally trade Anthony Davis to the Lakers. Now, here's the compensation package. Everybody's wondering, what would they give up? Lonzo Ball, Brandon Ingram. Remember, Ingram has the blood clots in his arm, so that's an issue. Josh Hart, and 3 first-round picks.
With the first pick in the 2019 NBA Draft, the New Orleans Pelicans select Zion Williamson. With the 8th pick in the 2019 NBA Draft, the Atlanta Hawks select Jackson Hayes from the University of Texas.
He's going to be incredible. Nothing up to this point in his career has shown us that he's going to be anything less than amazing in the NBA. Maybe initially it won't translate into like an all-star appearance as a rookie or anything, but he's going to be one of the rookie of the year favorites. Such an outstanding athlete, showed a lot of skills specifically as a passer at Duke.
I feel like I'm the one with the sauce. Chef Legacy with the pans and the pots. And want the recipe, ain't that a first? Even if I gave it to them, they would not know how to stir it. They would not know how to stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir